Hey guys, this is Alex from Byrider. Just with a little bit of story with April Fools coming up, I figured I'd share with you guys probably the best prank that was ever pulled on me for April Fool's Day. So a little bit of information. I graduated high school back in 2019, and so this one's still pretty recent and it sticks in my mind. I was working with my tech professor, or rather tech teacher, Mr. Christie. He had invited me into the tech office under the assumption that he was offering me brownies. You know, me being the naive fool that I am, I decided, oh yeah, that'd be absolutely fantastic. I would love a brownie. It is fourth period. I am starving. And so I go into the office with Mr. Christie, and out on a nice baking tray is a bunch of brown cut out paper E's. And I'm sitting here, I don't get this joke. And he's like, dude, it's brownies. And I was like, oh, it's brownies. So yeah, if you ever have someone who is a little bit more motivated by food, I would definitely recommend trying that out because I'll tell you what, it got me and it was quite funny. So thank you guys so much for listening, and I hope you have an absolutely fantastic April. Thank you so much.